Got you another phone. We just gonna have to set it up.
Set what up?
The phone. I got you another
Oh,
phone.
what? What is this? Oh my God, this is out of sight. This is bigger than the one I had. Hey. What do I have to do? It's got to know my voice?
So the phone should be telling you some instructions to say hello, Siri.
Oh, hello? Hello? I have to say hello, Siri, to the phone?
Yeah.
Hello, Siri.
So then they gonna say it again?
Hello, Siri. Hello, Siri. Siri. Hello? She's not saying hello back. No completion. Siri. You know what? This is a bit much. Oh my God. Well, they're smarter than we are. Yo, Siri's getting on my goddamn nerves now. Siri's getting the hell on my nerves. Come on. Okay, let's get further. What else I have to do with this?
Put your touch code in with your fingerprint.
Wait.
So you're gonna have to give them your fingerprint.
Finger what? What you mean finger? Fingerprint? Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Why I got to give somebody my telephone my fingerprint? I don't. What's all this for?
Right.
But wait a minute. I'm putting my fingerprint in here, and they got my fingerprint. I can be set up. I can be set up for any damn thing. I don't know if I trust these people.
Oh wow.
I mean, wait a minute. I'm not too particular about giving my fingerprint up. That's ridiculous. Once it's in, it's in. Ain't no
but you don't have to remember your numbers every time you want to go into your phone.
You saying I got to have numbers plus my fingerprint in this phone?
Yeah, basically, yeah. It's like a passcode, and then it's a touch code.
That's a hell of a lot for seniors.
Oh.
I mean, seniors don't need all of this. I mean, all they want to do is make a call. Do I have to say hello, Siri, every time I turn the phone on?
Oh, no.
Well, what's Siri all about? What we got to do? What she got to do with anything?
No. You said what she got to do with anything?
What, I can ask any question about anything? But now, where do I go to get to the numbers? I see a telephone.
You got to go to your contacts.
Oh, I don't have none yet. Oh, I see some names. Okay, man. This phone is out of sight. But this is a nice phone. This is very nice. I'm gonna really get down with it and try to catch up with all the smartness, because it is a smartphone, a little bit too smart for me.
What you talking about?
Oh, I'm getting ready to call and pay a couple of bills.
Well, why are you using that phone?
Because it's easy. It's quick. It's easy and quick.
Yeah, but it's not easier than this phone.
Well, this is what I'm used to, Betsy. I'm used to calling on this phone.
Yeah, but on this one, you can I'll put your bank in there for you. All you have to do is press the button and just do some transfers.
Yeah, it don't take me no more than 5-10 minutes to do it on the phone.
Yeah, but why don't you try the new phone?
I'm gonna change from what I'm doing to the smartphone.
Right, and use your fingerprint and all that.
I don't need to do all of that.
You right in the bank, right over like 2 seconds.
I'm in the bank with this. I'm in the bank. It don't take 5 minutes. Transfers, pay bills, everything. With this. This is what I'm used to.
Yeah, but I'm trying to get you used to, using your smartphone.
But plus I'm talking to somebody.
Yeah.
What do I do now?
Well, you just put your finger on it.
Finger? I got to put my finger, put the numbers in?
Right.
I could have it done in 5 minutes with this here. Don't take that long.
Well, Mom.
What's the difference?
Oh, man.
You know what? I'm confused. How much did you pay for this phone in the first place?
Mom, I ain't telling you all that.
I want to know, what did you pay for the phone?
I don't want to tell you. It's a gift.
Because I do my business quite well on my other phone. I wish you'd let me know. Go back and take this phone back.
Aw.
Take it back, please.
Oh.
Get the money.
Aw.
And give me the money that you say was my gift. Because you know what? I can find a better thing to do with that money, because I need some teeth.
Teeth?
Teeth.
Oh, my God.
I need some teeth. Take this phone back. I'm doing quite well with this phone. Take this phone back. Siri, fingerprints. You got to put a number in. That's just too damn much. I think you're overdoing it. I don't need all fingerprints and all that stuff. No. Siri. Hello, Siri. You need some teeth? Yeah, I need some teeth. so I can eat some peanuts.